I think the hardest part about being EOD here with MARSOC is you don't have the ability to ever be wrong. There's an old saying in the EOD field, it was initial success or total failure, and that's very much compounded here.
I think one of the hardest things being with MARSOC EOD is ensuring that you maintain those basic EOD skills that we're intended to provide to a team on notice, but also doing everything that everyone else on the team does. We shoot, we move, communicate, we jump, we dive. On top of doing all that, you have to be a skilled EOD technician to do your EOD job when the moment calls.
What makes it worth it is the amount of training that we get, not only working in with our teams and our companies, but also the training as EOD techs to really increase my proficiency across full spectrum EOD operations has drastically improved my ability to respond to any situation that I've been put into while working with special operations.
Out of target now, everyone out. Everyone out.
So the primer focuses on the 4 pillars of SOF EOD: technical support and technical surveillance, assault support, sensitive site exploitation, and counter WMD. Those 4 things, as a SOF EOD tech, what we mainly focus on to support in MSOP.
So the primer's going to cover all the METs that we're expected as 8071 MARSOC EOD technicians. This allows us to pull in and do everything from robotics to Cat A scenarios, advanced and specific demolition, as well as advanced hook and line techniques.
The skills that we have are integral to an MSOT because we are brought into the MSOT to fulfill a very specific purpose. We are here to mitigate any explosive hazards. So one thing I always try and keep in my mind whenever I'm working through any of these problems is my job is effectively to get the team safely onto the objective, through the objective, and off of the objective. The CSOs have a lot of things going on, but they bring us into the fight for this because of our specific skill sets and that mitigation of that explosive threat.
I mean, it's incredibly rewarding, that feeling of solving a problem that really only you can solve.